customer. This is Shana from Hello Park. Today I am going to show you circles.
We have swing circles for different brand excavators, from small tonnage to large tonnage. This is the marker of tooth installing. This is the oil inlet hole. This is ball mounting hole. And this is positioning hole. Using quenching process, make it has the characteristics of higher hardness, higher load and longer using life. It costs lower also. This is inner install hole, and this is outer install hole. This is seal kit, to prevent oil doesn't leak out. Okay, let's see the swing circles display video now.
Got the club going hard on Tuesday. Got your girl in the cut and shake Tuesday. Club going hard on Tuesday. Got your girl in the cut and shake Tuesday. Club going hard on Tuesday. Got your girl in the cut and shake Tuesday. Club going hard on Tuesday.